complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a listening class where we will hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Thanks, Emma. I am ready to listen and learn.
First, we will review vocabulary, daily routines. Then, we will practice grammar, adverbs of frequency.
Great. I want to hear how people use them in everyday situations.
That is our goal, so listen carefully and enjoy the main dialogues. Getting ready in the morning. Good morning. Are you awake?
Yes, but I usually get up at 7.
It is 7:15, and breakfast is ready.
Oh, I need a quick shower first.
Okay, and remember to brush your teeth.
I will. Where are my clean clothes?
They are on the chair by the window.
Thanks. I often forget where I put them.
Come and eat breakfast before you leave.
I am ready now, and I have 10 minutes to eat.
Making a haircut appointment. Hello, can I make an appointment for a haircut?
Of course. What day is good for you?
Is Friday afternoon possible?
We have an opening at 3 o'clock.
I usually work at that time. Do you have a Saturday opening?
Yes, we often have free times on Saturday morning.
11 o'clock is perfect for me.
Great. Your appointment is on Saturday at 11.
Lunch break at work. Are you ready for lunch?
Almost. I usually eat at 12:30.
It is 12:20 now.
Good. I only need 10 more minutes.
Did you bring your lunch today?
Yes, I have a sandwich and an apple.
How often do you bring food from home?
I often bring food, but I sometimes buy lunch downstairs.
Let us eat here today. It is quiet.
Good idea. I can relax before our next meeting.
Planning a weekend picnic. The weather is nice this Saturday. Do you want to have a picnic?
Yes, that sounds fun. Which park should we visit?
I often go to Green Park by the lake.
Perfect. It is usually quiet in the morning.
I can make sandwiches and bring some fruit.
I will bring water and a large blanket.
Can we meet at the park at 10?
Yes. I always wake up early on Saturdays.
Great. I will also bring a small umbrella.
Good plan. I will see you there on Saturday.
An evening at home. Hi, how was your day?
It was busy, but I'm happy to be home.
Dinner is almost ready. Can you set the table?
Sure. I usually put the plates here, right?
Yes, and the forks are in the top drawer.
Thanks. Do you often cook this meal?
Sometimes. It is easy. And I like the vegetables.
It smells great. I can wash the dishes after dinner.
Thank you. Then we can watch one short show.
Good idea. But I need to sleep early tonight.
Instructions for the babysitter. Thank you for coming. Here is the evening routine.
No problem. What time is dinner?
He usually has dinner at 6:30.
Okay. Is the food in the refrigerator?
Yes, there is pasta, and you can warm it in the microwave.
Great. What does he do after dinner?
He always brushes his teeth, and then he reads a book.
How often does he ask for another story?
He sometimes asks for 2 stories, but he sleeps at 8.
I understand. I will call you if there is a problem.
These real-life dialogues showed us useful English in context.
Yes, and I understood how daily words and frequency adverbs sound in conversation. Listening to short conversations also helps me remember the new language.
Exactly. Keep listening and practicing. And goodbye, Nexo, and everyone watching.